We'll guide you through how to remove text fill color in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, open Adobe Photoshop by clicking the Windows Start button. Next, type Adobe Photoshop into the search bar and press Enter to locate the application quickly. When the program appears in the results, click Open to launch it and wait until the workspace is fully loaded. After that, go to the top menu, click File, and choose Open to import your image or PSD file. Browse your folders, select the file, and click Open again to display it on the canvas. Once the file is visible, look at the Layers panel on the side and locate the text layer you want to edit. Click on that layer to ensure it is selected before making any changes. Then, choose the Type tool from the toolbar or simply press the T key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Click directly on the text in the canvas to activate text editing mode and highlight the specific text you want to modify. Next, move to the top options bar and find the fill color setting, which controls the appearance of the text. Click the color box and set it to transparent for no fill, or alternatively reduce the fill value to 0% in the Layers panel for the same effect. After adjusting the fill, press Enter or click the check mark to apply the changes properly. If the text becomes hard to see, open Layer Style and add a stroke to maintain visibility without restoring the fill. You can also adjust the size, position, or additional effects to improve the overall appearance of your design. Finally, go back to the File menu, choose Save As, select your preferred file format, and click Save to store your finished project safely. Make sure to choose a format like PNG if you want to preserve transparency, or select PSD if you plan to edit the file again later. Taking a moment to review your work before saving can help you catch small mistakes or areas that need refinement. Zoom in on the text to check edges, alignment, and clarity, ensuring everything looks clean and professional. If necessary, return to the Layers panel and make minor adjustments until you are satisfied with the final result. This process helps you create text with no fill while keeping it visually effective using strokes or effects only for styling purposes.